In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change family in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find all of the families available in Attack on Titan Revolution and how to switch between them. So from the home screen of the game, before going over to play, you should head over to customization instead. By going over to the customization menu, you will be able to browse through various options related to changing your character's appearance, but if you go down at the bottom on the fifth icon, you will be able to find all of the families available. So the families are divided in 5 rarities. You have common, which have a very high chance of appearing, rare, epic, legendary, and mythical. You can expand the list by clicking on this little icon here, and you will be able to see all of the families within a certain rarity. Now, most common families will have no perks, meaning that you should aim to get at least rare or above. The way that it works is that you will be able to click row at the bottom right corner of the screen to earn new families at random. You can store your current family. So for example, if I were to click deposit, I would be able to place it on my storage system here. I already have one that I can swap between. So let's say, for example, I want to swap back to this rare one. I can just click on it, swap, and now I became the rare family and the other one, the common, was stored. So this is a nice way to always have something in storage, because if I roll this one and I get a family that I don't like, I can always go back to this one. So it's always a safety net in a way. But all that you have to do to actually roll is to click the option here at the bottom. You will see the pity at the bottom. Once I reach 400 rows, I'll be guaranteed to get at least an epic family. This way you don't feel like you are losing out every single time. Rows are going to be paid, so you will have to click on buy spins and then buy them with gems. So keep that in mind. And once you have the rows, just click the option at the bottom right. The family will be equipped immediately and you will see if it has perks. I hope I was able to help you on how to change family in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.